Hello dear, welcome to Sunny Sky Primary School. We will do today Maths chapter number 11, tables and shares. Now in this chapter we are going to make the problems. We are going to make the question of the given problem, right? Till now what we used to do? Questions were given to us and we used to find out the answer of that given problem, right? Now today statement is given and on the basis of that statement we will make the question, okay? What is the heading? Let's read out. Make questions on the basis of the statements and pictures and then write the answers. Pictures I have not drawn here but I will show you at last, okay? So what is the first one? There are 3 boxes. Each box has 24 bottles. How many boxes are there? 3 boxes in each, means in one. In one box how many bottles are there? 24 bottles. Now if number of boxes are given and the number of bottles in one box is given, then what can be the question? Question will be how many bottles are there in all the boxes, right? See, total boxes are given, that there are 3 boxes in total and in one box there are 24 bottles. Then what can be the question? Then it will be like there are 3 boxes and each box has 24 bottles. Then how many bottles are there in all? So what can be the question? Let's write. How many bottles are there in all? How many bottles are there in all? Okay. Number 2. There are 8 packets of Rakhis. Each packet has 6 Rakhis in it. Then what can be the question? Same way, it's like bottle. Here 3 boxes were given and here 8 packets are given. In this, for one box 24 bottles and here one packet 6 Rakhis. Same questions, right? So there are 8 packets of Rakhis. Each packet has 6 Rakhis in it. So what can be the question? How many total Rakhis are there in all the packets, right? So let's write. How many packets are there how many Rakhis are there in all the packets? How many Rakhis are there in all the packets? How many Rakhis are there in all the packets? Or also you can write like how many Rakhis are there all together. You can change your words, just you have to make the correct question, okay? Third one, there are 10 packets of sugar. Saurabh paid 110 rupees of all the packets. Now see, there are 10 packets of sugar. 10 packets are there, right? Saurabh paid 110 rupees of all the packets. Now see, it is not told that for one packet he has paid this much, but it is told that he has paid 110 rupees of all the packets. Now here price of all the packets are given. Till now for one it was told and we were asking, and for all the packets. Now here for all the packets are given, price for all the packets are given, we have to find for one. Obviously, see, each packet has 6 Rakhis. That means for one packet it was told, so obviously we have to find for all. Now here it is given for all, 110 rupees of all the packets. Now here it is told to us that for all the packets he has paid this much rupees. Then obviously we have to find for price for one packet. Understanding? That means if for one is given, we will find for all, and if for all is given, we will find for one, right? So let's find out, or let's write the question here. There are 10 packets of sugar. Saurabh paid 110 rupees of all the packets. Then how much money will he pay for one packet? Or you can also write what is the cost of one packet of sugar. right? That is also the same question of finding price for one packet. So how much money will he pay for one packet, or what is the amount of one packet of sugar? You can write that also. So according to you, you can change your words and you can make out the questions. See, these are the pictures. I have told you I will show you at last. See, for the first one, there are 3 boxes. Each box has 24 bottles. So for that, these are the pictures that 1, 2 and 3 boxes are there, and in one box there are 24 bottles, right? So this is the picture for the first one. Then for the second one, see, packets of Rakhis are there, right? These are the packets of Rakhis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packets of Rakhis are there, right? So these are the packets of Rakhis for the second one. And next, for the third one, packets of sugar. These are the pictures for your problems, what we have done just now. Now, when I have shown you the picture, it was written question and down it was written answer. Answer, right? Now, why that answer was written? Because after forming the question, you also have to find the answers, right? And we have done already that finding the answer for the problems. So there are 3 boxes, each box has 24 bottles. How many bottles are there in all? We have formed the question, right? So there will be 72 bottles in all. We will do multiply, that one box has 24 bottles. Then 3 boxes will have how many bottles? 24 and 3 are in cross, so will get multiplied. So 24 multiplied 3 is equals to 72 bottles. So if it is told to find out the answers also and form the question and also write the answers, then you will do like this. First form the question and afterwards read whole question and then decide what you have to do, whether multiply or divide, like this, and find out the answers, right? Same way, number 2 we have, there are 8 packets of Rakhis. Each packet has 6 Rakhis in it. So here also you need to do the multiplication for finding all the Rakhis in the packets, right? If one packet is equals to 6 Rakhis, 8 packets is equals to how many Rakhis? 8 6 are 8 and 6 will be in cross. 8 6 are 24. There are 24 Rakhis in all the packets. Third one, there are 10 packets of sugar. Saurabh paid 110 rupees of all the packets. How much money will he pay for one packet? Right? We have formed the question like this. See, there are 10 packets of sugar. So for 10, it is told Saurabh paid 110 rupees for all the packets. That means for 10 packets, he has paid 110 rupees, right? For 10 packets, he paid 110 rupees. Then for one packet, he has paid how much rupees? It is the question. So 110 and 10 are in opposite sides, so that will be divided. 110 divided by 10. 0 and 0 cut, and what is the answer? 11 by 1 is 11 rupees. So for the packet of one sugar, he must have paid 11 rupees. Okay, these are the answers also. I have not done this answer. I have told you randomly. I have dictated you but not written here because it is very easy. So you will write this answer by yourself. And similar question I am giving you for your homework also. You will have to take a screenshot of this. I will give you the photograph. Okay. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, do take care of yourself. Thank you.